This award is truly meaningful for me in my career, but also the importance of the recognition for my trainees who have been in my lab over the last several years. It's a recognition of the collective research discoveries we've been making. And so it honors them as well, and that's really important to me. So we are really excited to use this research funding to expand our research. We have a lot of different discoveries with various nutrients, and we are ready to now take them from bench to bedside. But there's a few pieces that we need, and that's what we're interested in hoping to get out of this award. So translating the science and moving it from one model system to the human. This career path is not easy, but it is truly rewarding, and each step builds for the next step. And in the nutrition space specifically, just keep going and understanding and digging into the science and really, perhaps even going beyond your favorite nutrient. You never know what nutrient you might end up or in what system. Be passionate, be engaged, be listening, be aware of your surroundings as far as the science, and you never know where it's going to take you.